To change it up, Stacy from Unique Plus Fit brings our high intensity and boot camp exercise classes to the Throw House. So while we were here, we asked her to provide an in-home high intensity workout for us. That's minus the axe throwing, of course. She put together this circuit-style boot camp. It's a workout that you can easily do at home. Here's how it works. Do each of the 4 exercises for 40 seconds with a 20-second rest break in between. Rest for a minute, you can grab a glass of water, then repeat the circuit 2 or 3 more times. This high-intensity circuit includes medicine ball slams, jumping jacks with a medicine ball shoulder press, push-ups, and finally skater jumps. You can always start a little slower and perform each exercise for 20 seconds with a 10-second break, and then work up to the 40-20 intervals. Thanks again to Stacy for a great workout. And don't forget to visit the Throw House for fun and fitness. When we return, it's one of the most common maladies that we suffer from, and it affects us most as we age. Dr. Messina and I take a look at some ways to help keep our bones and joints healthy and to help combat the effects of arthritis. Be sure to visit our website, myfitnessrx.net.